Hello, in today's video I am going to show you how to do sprite movement. This means that with the arrow keys, a player will be able to move a sprite. So it's very simple. So when green flag clicked, forever, if then, and sensing, key space pressed and change this to up arrow, we are going to change Y by 10. Now right click on the if statement and duplicate it. Change this to down arrow and change this to -10. Now if we right click on the if statement again and duplicate it, we can put this over here and change this to right arrow and change this one to left arrow and drag these change Y blocks out. Instead we're going to put a change X by 10 block over here and another one down here for the left arrow, but change it to -10. So now if I click on the green flag, using the arrow keys, I can move the cat around. So that's how to do sprite movement in Scratch. Thank you for watching.